You will hear an audio tour recorded for visitors to a university campus. Look at the task, then listen and answer questions 1 to 6.
Hello and welcome to this audio tour of the university campus. Our tour today begins at the main gate. The gatehouse dates back to the year 1600 and has always been the main entrance to the university site, even if in those days there were only a few hundred students in 2 or 3 buildings. The first building we come to on our left also dates from 1600. Today, in this building, you'll find the offices of the University Registry, which handles enrolments and other administrative matters. It was originally built as the University Library, however, and fulfilled that role until 1955, when the new library was built on the other side of the river. Now, looking to our right, we pass the University Theatre. This is the place where important ceremonies like Graduation Day are held, as well as concerts and other public events. This building was built in 1993 on the site of the old dining room, which was sadly destroyed by fire. Students can now eat in the restaurant, which is situated opposite the Faculty of Law on this side of the river. We are now entering the university's main teaching blocks, all of which were built in the late 20th century. The Faculty of Life Sciences is on our right, and opposite that we see the Faculty of Arts, whilst ahead of us, just beyond the fountain, we can see the Faculty of Medicine. At the fountain, we turn left, and we soon come to the main accommodation blocks on our right, where the students now live, and we pass the university car park on our left. Which brings us finally to the back gate, where you should turn right and walk down towards the river, where our tour ends at the boathouse.